Hello and welcome to CIO500 and Enterprise IT World. After completing 10 city CIO500 journey, we are completely elated about the success and engaging with the senior leaders in 10 cities. Particularly this city, Coimbatore, I'm pretty excited to see the opportunity here from growth perspective, from the employment perspective. That is the reason I'm not sparing a single moment of exchanging my ideas and understanding from the leaders about their views. Now with me is Mr. Ravi Shankar, his CTO for Kovai Medical Center and Hospital Limited. I know that this city is emerging to be a paradise of healthcare. Mr. Ravi Shankar, thank you very much for coming in and speaking to CIOTV.live at CIO 500. How do you see this event, particularly this format of event? Instead of doing it in one place, we are there at your city, you know, engaging with you, understanding with you, and trying to bring in other aspects, thought leadership to you as well.
Wonderful. In fact, thanks Enterprise IT World and SNS for doing this particular event in our city. It is always a pleasure to have people like you coming to our city, a Tier 2 city.
Thank you.
And doing this kind of an event. It also encourages people also to do something better so that they can also be positioned for these kinds of awards and functions.
All right. Now, why healthcare is becoming a prominent sector in this region? What technologically or digitally that is boosting healthcare?
Great question, because earlier Coimbatore was considered as a Manchester city, where there is a lot of textile industries and manufacturing hub. Though that is still predominant, this city has turned into an healthcare and a educational hub. So you will find a lot of best quality hospitals in this part of it, and it is strategically placed. Coimbatore in the midst of the hills, and it is also strategically placed in various other locations. That is the reason that it is also becoming a prominent city when it comes to healthcare. Second, there is an affordability factor. When I go into a tier 1 city or abroad for a same kind of a treatment, the cost factor is also matter. So here in Coimbatore, you get the best of the class treatment at an affordable price.
Mm-hmm. And how about technology, automation, AI helping reduce one side the cost, the other side the productivity, and communication also in the healthcare sector?
Great. See, companies like us are doing a lot of pilot projects onto AI journey. Having said that, the business models and the language models is also maturing. And based on the compliance and the legalities and things like that, we are enforcing that these technologies will be part and parcel of our journey. We are trying to adapt certain workflows that is related to our patient-centric workflows and also our operational expertise. So that way we can reduce the mundane task about the secretaries doing certain activities and whatever jobs that is taking a lot of time, especially when it comes to conversational AIs. Those are all really helping our doctors in that particular AI journey.
A lot of RPA stuff is coming into your system, particularly the enterprise applications. So how far have you gone into it, and how far have you gone into the digital things, digital journey of your organization?
See, today interoperability is what, unless your applications are not interoperable, you will not be able to have a complete seamless workflows incorporated. Today, if you ask us how many integrations has happened, there are n number of devices, IoT devices that has been connected into our network. N number of applications are being connected through various APIs, token-based APIs, FHIR protocols, and things like that. So these are all been taken into considerations when we debate and delegate certain activities through partners.
What is the goal of your management for this year, and what is the target for you?
See, today when you talk about healthcare industry, we are focusing more from an patient-centric workflows and how to automate certain workflows in place. So our goal for this particular year is to have a seamless integration of electronic medical records to be incorporated so that the doctors will also be comfortable using the workflows. Second, the patient journey inside the hospital.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Ravi Shankar. Pleasure talking to you. Hope to continue this conversation in future times also.
A pleasure hosting
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you very much for the time. Thank you.